Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So I'm back again with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a digital clock using Python and tkinter. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So this is a digital clock that I've created using the Python and the tkinter, which you can see it is working properly even if we maximize, minimize. So yeah, if you're looking for the source code, the link will be down in the description below, which will redirect you to the GitHub and you can clone it or do whatever you wanna do. So let's dive into the video, guys. So by the way, it's a boy Crazy TGP. So we're gonna import the it's gonna be from tkinter. Then we wanna import everything. We need the time module. And I don't think this is gonna work, but okay, it's fine. Then after that, what we need to do is we need to say root is equal to then root let me say digital clock over here. Okay, then we need to say we need to run this main loop over here. Then what we need to do is let's create a label. Okay, let me say label root. Okay, we are not going to put text over here. I'm gonna show it to you very soon. Okay, let me say font. Okay, I'm gonna use this secure font or whatever name you wanna call it. Then the font size, then let me set not FB, it's FG is equals to foreground. Let me say white, BG is equals to black. Then you can say you can set it to any color that you want it to be at. So in my case, I'm gonna set this to white and black, which is my foreground and my background. Then let me say dot pack. Then after that, what you need to do is define this function over here, which is gonna be the print time. Then what I'm gonna do is let me say time variable is equals to time dot let me say string f time. Then let's format our time. Oh, if I can type today, what's happening? Okay, percentage h for the 24-hour format, then percentage m for the minutes, then percentage s for the seconds. Then you don't need that am pm, because if it's 24-hour format, then we already know. Then okay, after that, let me say let's make it a variable. Let's say let me say test. Not text is test, then test dot config text. So we are putting our text here, but first thing we need to say root. Then our text is going to be this time variable. Time variable. Then when I say test dot after, so after 200 milliseconds, what you wanna do is we wanna update our current time, which will be our real time in this tutorial. And after that, you wanna say print time. You wanna call this function over here so that it can be looped as this main loop. It is looping our current program or whatever you wanna say. Then let me say CLS and cd YouTube, then go to a directory where your script is. Let's run it. So now it's time for us to run this program and see what's going to happen. So python digital clock.py, then let's say enter. Okay, what does it say? An error 18 print time. Okay, then in 11, what's the problem? Test.config root. Okay, let me remove this root over here, then try and run. So boom, this is our digital clock. As you might have seen, I've just created some error, but it is now fixed. Everything, it's fine, it's great. So this is going to be our time, and this is our current time. As you can see, it's 00:12:25, and you can see 12:12. So this is a 24-hour format, and this is a 12-hour format. So we have just created our digital clock using the Python and the tkinter module. So before we end this video, let me show it to you guys that you can even change if I can type today. Okay, let me say gray over here, then let's run. You see now our background, it's gray, it's no longer black. So we can do whatever we want to do with this program, but don't forget that this script, I'm going to upload it to my GitHub account, and you can clone this script and do whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, this was the video, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.